Sometimes you might find that when you press a button on your Humax Remote Control, your Freesat set-top box does not respond. There is a potential simple solution to solve this problem. When you push a button on your Freesat Remote Control, the TV light may light up. This means that your Freesat Remote Control is trying to control a television and not the set-top box. The solution is to press the STB button on your remote control. This will mean that your remote control is now controlling your Freesat set-top box. And when you push a button on the remote control, the STB button lights up. And now your remote control should now operate your Freesat set-top box.